Hi YouTube, today I'm going to be unboxing the XK A380 from XK. You can buy this from Banggood or Amazon or eBay. I bought this from eBay personally because it was quite cheap. This was only £35 with free delivery post. So yeah, now let's get unboxing. So first let's get the outside of the box. So we have if you do aerobatic, so 260 degrees, just do loops. It has a gyro installed in it, which I'm going to do with it. That's a 2.4 gigahertz. It's a as you can see, it's 490 millimeters long and 150 millimeters tall, and it has a total wingspan of 550 millimeters and a total components. So we have the actual plane, obviously, the transmitter, the battery. It looks like a 300 milliamp LiPo. We have two extra propellers, I think. We have the charging cable, and we have the what does that look like? What is that? I think it's the charging port that you put your LiPo into. The actual view looks gorgeous with the airplane. I hope it's actually like that, but normally when it's aircraft and aircraft, we can like radio. I think I'm ready to box, guys. So let's get boxing. Got two levels here. Alright. So this is the first part, guys. This is the actual plane. Take this, place it over. I'm just going to place this box at the back. So that's the basic box. I'll place the box here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to be looking at this. So this is the manual booklet. So yeah, instructions, and I'm just gonna throw that away because who needs it? I am going to say this video is not sponsored by XK or on it or anything else. This is purchased by my own money. Okay. So this is the wing. So we've got the actual connected. So I think there's only one channel and different wires. By the way, you can add extra channels in here. I think that's where you put the light bulb. So okay, the wing. Oh, there's pellets in it. Massive pellets. I thought these are nickel and things, but the cells look really nice. So let's put the away and let's take the actual fuselage. So put the both protecting here. And this is the fuselage. Your fuselage. Decent fuselage, I guess. And then you put your elevator controls. I can focus on that. Yeah. So I guess now the only last thing we have left. That's the transmitter. Got the transmitter. Pretty wonderful transmitter. Like this one in it. Pretty good. So yeah. And last but not least, the charging ports and so this is it. We've got the charging port. screwdriver and gears. And extra pedals. So yeah. Let's move this. Let's start snapping it. So that's what you want to do. Flip the thing on. And then connect it to wires. So what you want to do now is connect these two wires. So you want black to black and golden to golden. So basically want the colours to line up. So if I can show you that. Let's see. There we go, it's all lined up. Now what we're going to do is just, you want to place the wire here, but you can, as soon as you can see it's interfering with the elevator. So what you can do here is push your palm and push this at the front and do a black slot. Yep, just like that. And the wire's at the front now. So you can just push that back and place this. Now I've got the fuselage on. Damn, this thing is gorgeous. Let's put that away. Let's get it screwed to fix it. Alright, so these are the components. This screw needs to go into this slot. I'm going to do this off camera because it's going to be quite hard and I don't want to lose the screw. So I'll see you when I've done the screw, guys. Alright, hi YouTube, we're back, and I've just got the screw in, and we've got, that's basically most of the assembly. Just go to the gear and you're ready to fly with the charger battery. This is not a maiden flight too, so sorry guys. This, I'm just going to be unboxing assembly, so yeah. So let's check the actual plane now. When you look here, we've got actual working elevators. Let's put it down here. Got the tail, no rudder. This should give the ratio to thrust to turn. So if you turn right, one of the motors will turn and the other stop, making it turn right, giving you your effect. And then for your beautiful engine cells, so it's like usual, you can see. One of the one goes up and then turns back. So it goes up and then back. That's basically all. You've got two motors. You've got the compartment where you put your lighter in. Remember, it's the same thing with this. Plug black to black in the lighter too, or else you're expecting flames. I'm going to do that because it's not a maiden flight. Now I'm just going to plug the gear in, so let's turn the thing. Still gear. Okay, the nose gear is going to look fairly dumb, but okay. These two are the side gears, so let's place these in. Alright. I'm going to place my first one in. Oh, this is going to be hard. I'm guessing, guys, if you're the person who likes to take and put it back in, so like if you're like the person who likes taking the gears out and also putting them back in, well, sorry, because I don't think so. These are going to come back out. Okay, I put that gear the wrong way around. I'm not going to even put these too tight in because I probably want them to come off. I think it will make more correct. I didn't even put them properly in. You can tie it in if you want. But that's what it is. These gears don't actually even look that bad. But the nose gear just looks stupid. But, yeah. So, that was the unboxing. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Oh yeah, also forgot. It comes with everything except 4 AA's, so yeah. Yeah guys, that was the end of the video. I hope to see you in a future video. Until then, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share the video. Stay safe. See ya.